Okay, so we got this situation. The area of quadrilateral formed by the tangents drawn at endpoints of latus recta. So this is plural form of latus rectum. Okay, so they are talking about two latus rectums. Endpoint, at endpoint you have to drop tangent. So you know that it is horizontal ellipse. So let's try to draw the diagram for better clarity. Look at this. You know that this ellipse is symmetric about origin, correct? So suppose that this is your foci. So if it is foci, it is AE comma 0. So this will become what? Minus of AE comma 0. Okay, and these guys are talking about latus rectum. So suppose that this is the end point of latus rectum. Okay, so point A, point B, point C and point D. So at these points we have to drop tangents. Okay, and don't you think that these tangents will be symmetric? Batao, these tangents will be symmetric. So look at this. So we will have same situation over here. Okay, now suppose that the, and you know that it will be symmetric. Okay, why I am telling this word you will understand later. Okay, suppose it is perfect. Now look at this. So you got your four tangents. Okay, now I feel that these tangents will also be symmetric, because every, like, if you flip this thing around this part you will have congruent parts, and then if you flip, if you will like fold along this x, again you will have congruent part. So can I say that area of this triangle will be equal to the area of this triangle as well as this triangle as well as this triangle? So if we can find out area of one triangle, we can manage to find area of all four triangles. I have to multiply by 4. So for that I have to find out first tangent. Okay, then only we will find out coordinates. Suppose it is P, Q, R, S. So we will go with triangle PQO, and then we will find out the area of this triangle, and then I'll be multiplying it with 4. So let's try to find out coordinate B. So it is end point of latus rectum. So you know that the equation of curve is x square by 16 plus y square by 12 equals to 1. So who is A? A is 4. We have to find out E. Then only you will get A, na? Okay, so let's calculate E. So you have A square, B square, and you have to find E. So do you know the relationship between A, B and E? So it is 1 minus E square for sure. Who is bigger? A is bigger. So A square will go inside, B square will be outside. So 12, 16, 1 minus E square, 3 times, 4 times. So 3, 4, 4 E square. So 4 times E square will be equal to 1. So E will be equal to 1 by root 2. Sorry, 1 by 2. Okay, it will be positive always because it is ratio. Okay, so can I say that the point B will be over there? X coordinate will be what? AE only. Okay, so A is 4, E is 1 by 2. So x coordinate will become 2. So if x is 2, we have to find out y coordinate. So it will become 4 by 16 comma plus y square by 12 equals to 1. So it is 4. So can I say that y square by 12 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 equals to 3 by 4. So 4 threes are 12. So y square equals to 9. So can I say that y will become plus or minus 3? So I am talking about upper triangle. So it will be plus of 3. Okay. So you got point B. Now what we have to do? We have to drop tangent at B. Correct? So for that P equals to 0. So x1 plus y1 equals to 1. Correct? So it is x by 8 plus y by 4 equals to 1. Now we have to find out coordinate of P and suppose I am interested in finding coordinate of P. So it is on x axis, means y will be 0. So x coordinate will be 8. So can I write it is 8 comma 0? Now we have to find out Q. Q is on y axis. Y axis means x is 0. So y coordinate will be 4. So it is 0 comma 4. So can I say that required area will be equal to 4 times area of triangle POQ. So 4 times half. What is base? Base is this thing 8. Height is this thing 4. Okay. So it is 64 square unit. So the required area of the quadrilateral is what? 64. I hope you understood the approach and now you can solve questions of similar kind. Okay.